This is tutorial number 24, and it covers how to use the mirror sketch feature within Catia V5. Now to start off, open up a new Catia V5 part file, and once you've done that, let's go into the sketch workbench. So click sketch and click any of the planes. Now in the last tutorial, we went over the symmetry sketch feature, and the mirror sketch feature works exactly the same, except that it keeps both sides of the sketch. So in the symmetry sketch, we would only keep one side. In this, using the mirror sketch, you get to keep both sides. And again, this would be used when the sketch is too complicated to duplicate on the other side of the mirror. So the mirror feature, you're able to create a sketch, mirror it, and you have the opposite. So you have both of them going at the same time. So we're going to do a few examples. So I'm going to sketch out a little profile on the side here. And I'm going to draw a line down the middle as our axis. And again, we're going to change this to a construction geometry, just so that when we go to extrude it or do any features, we don't have to worry about this line. And the mirror feature is found right here in this toolbar. So that's the mirror feature. And you can also find it if you go to Insert, Operations, Transformation, and Mirror. So what we're going to do is we're going to mirror this entire part, this entire sketch onto this side. So we'll highlight the entire sketch, click mirror, and we'll click the center line, and we've mirrored it onto the other side. Now let's press Ctrl Z, and we can actually mirror one part of the sketch at a time. So let's click this line here, click mirror, click the center line, and we've mirrored that line. Now we can slowly build each of these parts. So let's click this line, press Control and click this line, click mirror, click the center line, and we've thrown that line over too. So you can do one line or you can do multiple lines, and you can slowly toss each of those lines over. So say that we only wanted those 3 lines, and then we were going to change the profile a little bit for this side, then you're able to do that. So both of these guys both have the same little unique feature here, and then we're able to change the profile. Now we're also able to do the up and down, so let's draw a line across, and we'll make it a construction line again, and we'll throw this entire sketch above it. So let's click mirror, click this line, and the entire sketch is thrown above. Press Ctrl Z and go back, and this time let's highlight this entire sketch, press Ctrl and highlight this entire sketch too, and let's throw both of them above this line. So we'll click mirror, click this line, and we've thrown both of them above. And again, you're also able to do it across a line that isn't up and down, but actually on like an angle. So we'll turn this line into a construction line, and let's highlight all of these sketches here, and we'll throw it on top over there. So we'll click mirror, click this line, and we've mirrored all of those sketches over there. So using this feature, you're able to go from this one sketch that we had here to making, by the end, 8 different sketches. So using this mirror option, you're able to make a left-hand or right-hand component, and you're able to either carry along certain features of that one component to the other side and change the profile. So this is a very powerful tool. It allows you to create one sketch and allows you to duplicate it in different ways. This will save you a lot of time, and it'll help you become a lot more efficient when you're creating left-hand components, right-hand components, and just symmetrically opposite components. And this concludes our tutorial on the mirror sketch feature within Catia V5.